Check this out. I'm inside my car, and what you are hearing right now is a tornado. Yeah. It's a tornado, and it appears to be coming for me. Oh my gosh, look at that piece. You can see pieces being flung around as the tornado is ripping through this neighborhood. It's a large neighborhood, I don't know why. Look at the debris. Look at that. Oh, and you can tell, yes, it is a multi-vortex tornado. Rate the tornado 1 to 10 and rate its damage. It's estimated to be near 0 according to its damage. I mean, it's throwing a bunch of debris. It's just hitting multiple houses, that's why. These vortices look really cool in my opinion. What about yours? Look at that. Being destroyed. Oh. There it goes. This is my house right here, behind it, or next to it. You can still see the vortices destroying the town. Ooh! Imagine if a piece hits me. Imagine if a piece hits me. Huh? Can't see the tornado no more. Oh, there it is. Oh.